And welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Abuakumasa. I welcome you all to my class this minute. If today the very first of you joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you're yet subscribed to my channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to be updated whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you. All right, so for today, we are continuing with our inequalities, okay? But let's quickly review what we learned the other time. You guys know the sign now. You know that inequalities involves a less than sign, a greater than sign, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. The difference between inequality and equation is equation involve equal to sign, but inequalities involve the signs, the less than, greater than sign, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So if you say less than, you guys remember the alligator, right? The alligator swallows the big fish or whatever, the big meat or the big. So when the mouth is open towards you, that is a greater than. When the mouth is open, so this is a greater than because the mouth is open towards me. And the tip is towards you, so you are less than. I am greater than. So greater than, less than, the less than towards you. And so let's say we have, let's start here. We have the less than sign, we have the greater than sign. Less than or equal to is when you have the bar under it. Greater than or equal to when you have the bar under it. Then, how do you plot them on the number line? We saw this in our previous lesson. How to plot this on the number line. If it is all equal to, make sure the circle is filled, meaning that the number is inclusive. But if it is not all equal to, you leave the circle unfilled or unshaded, right? Okay. So let's quickly look at one sum under vocabulary. Okay. So we are looking at one, let's say sum in vocabulary on inequalities. On inequalities. Oh, was it paused? Was my screen paused? So you guys saw whatever I did, I thought. So let me just quickly review what I said. I said we are trying to review what we learned in our previous lesson, which is on the inequalities. We've already treated equations, we are on inequalities. Then we said inequality, the difference between an inequality and an equation is equation involve the equal to sign. By inequalities involve the less than sign, the greater than sign, less than or equal to, that's why we have the boundary, greater than or equal to. So on graphing on a number line, make sure the circle is filled to tell whoever is marking your paper or whoever is reading your scripts that the number is inclusive. For example, if your x is less or equal to 5, you start mentioning the number from 5. But it's less or equal to 5, it means that 5 is inclusive. But if this x is less than 5, of course, numbers less than 5 are what? You have 4, 3, and negative, right? Over there. But if it's less than or equal to 5, it means that the 5 is inclusive, okay, of your numbers, whatever x represents. You know, x is just a variable representing some numbers or a number. So if you're listing the numbers, make sure you include it. Let's quickly look at this. I don't know if you guys are going to.
No, you know what it is. Life gives you inequalities. You don't give up. You don't sit back. You know what you do? You sing this track. Let's go. Life is full of inequalities. Solving for X is the steps that you need. Do the same thing to both sides till you see X by itself in a set that agree. Yo, every day I'm reading with equations. Two algebraic expressions that form a statement, but when they're not, Well, it's not a mistake, it's an inequality. Prepare to test your patience. Before we get started, here's some things we need to know. No, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. This is what the symbols do. Plus, the mouth is always pointed to the bigger value. The goal of inequality is to isolate the value from the variable. I can show you how to. Inverse operation. If you see addition, then we must subtract. Multiplication means division's what we gotta have. Now we making progress. Here's a perfect example for you to see the process. To isolate the egg, we operate on both sides. 15 minus 15 occurs on one side. While 15 subtracted from 100 must be 85. And therefore, A is greater than 85. A could be 86 or 89. It's a set of numbers that will always be true. When solving inequalities, it's a coming in group called the solution set. Greater than 85 to infinite are the answers that you should expect. Just in case you don't believe, plug in 84 and I promise you will see 99 is less than the number that you need. 84 would never lead the statement to agree, so it's peace. Life is full of inequalities. Solving for X is the steps that you need. The same thing that both sides team see. X.
Wow. I'm sorry, guys. Let me share the screen again. Set it up.
This time we solving it backwards. Why? That's the rule when solving inequalities from both sides. Subtract 12. Now the value fell to 63. Divide both sides by negative.
So let me play a different one again. Same and that vocabulary. I think I showed this in my previous lesson. So let's watch this. Okay, so under this you have four. We have the expressions. You know expressions, numbers mixed up with the symbols. Okay. For expressions, there are no equal to sign. Equation, we have equal to sign. Inequalities, there are no equal to sign, but we have the sign less than and others. So that is basically the summary of inequalities and equations and expressions. Okay? Yeah. So we just had a review of everything we've learned. I made a group work and each group worked on their own. And they did an awesome job because they did a presentation which was very good. They were able to, talk to each other and discuss the work class scores. It made the class very interactive and everyone was involved. It gave them an opportunity to also share their views with their friends and explain and that is so good. If you keep the kids engaged, it helps them discuss more and it's helped the class scores. So that was what I did on how to review my chapter. There's a chapter review on this. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for your time and attention. My next one will be on statistics, and a student will be I have my student teacher already chosen. She has prepared a lesson and she will be presenting to the class. So I'll be relaxing somewhere, observing how she's going to do it. And I can't wait to see it because my kids are awesome. They are learning each day, becoming better than yesterday. So I love it. We will do more. We just pray for hope, for strength. All right, guys, until we meet again. Please stay safe. So we meet again. Please stay safe and let Christmas start pushing. Please don't be a victim of um don't just follow friends to do evil. Yeah. Be a better version of yourself. Do what you think is right. Celebrate it in the coolest way. Let's meet next year to keep us good. Thank you so much. I love you.